Hey everyone, if you're trying to use Discord in China, but you just can't get it to work, you're not alone. That's because Discord is blocked in China by the Great Firewall, just like YouTube, Google, WhatsApp, and more. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock Discord in China easily and safely, using a tool that actually works. This is perfect if you're an expat, traveler, student, or just someone living in China who wants to stay connected. You can click the link in the description to get NordVPN. The VPN I personally recommend, and one of the few that still works reliably in China. Let's dive in. So why can't you open Discord in China? It's because of China's Great Firewall, which blocks access to many foreign services. That includes Discord, YouTube, Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. The Great Firewall blocks these apps by detecting your IP address and location, preventing you from accessing them if you're inside China. The best way to unblock Discord in China is by using a VPN, a virtual private network. Here's what it does. Changes your IP address so you appear to be in another country. Encrypts your connection so China's filters can't see what you're doing. Allows you to access restricted apps like Discord. But here's the catch. Most VPNs don't work in China. The government blocks most of them. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers, which are designed to bypass China's blocks. Let's walk through exactly how to set this up. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose a plan. NordVPN is not free, but it has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Step 3. Important. Download and install NordVPN before you travel to China. VPN sites are blocked once you're inside the country. Step 4. Open the NordVPN app and go to Settings. Auto Connect. Enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a country like the US, UK, Japan, or Singapore. Step 6. Now open Discord, and you should be able to use it normally. It really is that simple. If Discord still doesn't work, try these quick fixes. Try a different obfuscated server. Change the VPN protocol to OpenVPN TCP or NordLynx. Restart Discord and clear the app's cache. Make sure your connection is stable, Wi-Fi or mobile data. These usually fix the issue and get you up and running. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to unblock Discord in China and stay connected with your friends, communities, and servers. NordVPN is the best option for bypassing the Great Firewall. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN with a discount and 30-day money-back guarantee. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Discord and VPN tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.